Hi, Leo. It's Lulu, and welcome to your love in the read, okay, for the coming week. All right. It may have happened, it may not have happened, it may never happen, or, just never know. But there's always a little game in this thing, all right? Something that you just might need to hear for yourself or someone else. Hello. All right. What are Leo's feelings towards the person in close proximity to them, love, interest, or what have you? Look at that. Read it. Got it. All right. Let's go. Separation, past life relationship, honeymoon. All right. Heart to heart conversation is under separation. What's under past life? Romantic feelings. What's under honeymoon? Healing family issues. All right. Y'all showed up in somebody's reader strength. I think it was Capricorn earlier. All right. So you feel towards this person that, you know what, look, it's over, it's done. I still have feelings for you, but hey, because it may even be that during this situation, this person may have gone back to someone that they were dealing with before, and you may be having a conversation with them about this, about the way that what it is that's going on. I feel like they may have gone back to someone that they may have children with, or have some type of familiar connection with. All right, let's look at it. What is this separation that Leo is feeling towards this person? It's hard to let them go. The King of Pentacles. It's hard to let them go. It's hard to see things from a different perspective with this person. Um, Maybe it's finances. Their career has them in a space where they have to make this type of choice, and they may have told you that this is gonna hurt me more than it's gonna hurt you, and I wish that things could be different. I think y'all broke up, but let's see. What is this separation? The Emperor and the Five of Cups. I'm telling you, I think it's work. This person may even remind you of a male in your family, or remind you of something from your past that has to do with, like, maybe this King of Pentacles remind you of an emperor that you dated in a past life. Um, heartbreaker, done the best of me. Mm. All right, what is this honeymoon that Leo feels towards this person? The Eight of Swords. You may be in a space where this person may be caught up in la la land, or just this may be the type of person who enjoys the honeymoon stage, right? Maybe they've never had a really um, growthful, it's not a word. They're limited to the honeymoon stage. They're limited to just um, let's just have fun. They don't want to take nothing serious. I don't know how old this person is, but this is what it's giving, okay? But let's see here. What is this honeymoon stage and this Eight of Swords? They may be caught up in, there it is, Knight of Wands. All right, cookie cutter. They view and react and deal with relationships cookie cutter. Okay, it's just one and done. Or once they burn out, man or a woman. Once they burn out, that's it. They don't want to put any more energy into it. They don't want to do a lot of the things or what have you. It's no longer fun. And it's like you can see their battery drain on that, because they are so used to um maybe it's just a player. But I think that it's because of their job. Let me see, honey. What is this heart to heart conversation that Leo feels towards this person? The Seven of Cups. They may have left you confused, and even when you talk to them, they like, what? Because they may be playing with your emotions, honey. And you may see it as, damn, that hurt. Or again, that comes under that separation, and you've been through this before. It's similar to a pattern in your life, a cycle in your life. With the Seven of Cups, it's like we need to have a talk about you and your options and your to-dos. But the thing about it is, once you have the conversation with them, they confuse you a little bit, get you in your feelings, take you off topic, take you off the subject, and wooing you, romantic feelings, right? Wooing you, and then go back into, I really got to go deal with this, right? I got to handle this. My kids want this. I think that this is the type of person, their phone is constantly going off. It's either work or whatever this Knight of Wands is, right? But they don't hold interest, because I don't think that they know what their interests really are when it comes to connecting with people. And something that's been coming up for the past couple of weeks is about um how people are waiting to be in relationships. They want to get it all out, and they don't want to be tied down and all of the things. And then they expect someone that they've met to, like, that ain't been through nothing with them, to take care of them in their old age. And it's like, yeah, you want a nurse? Yeah, take that up with somebody else. Okay. All right. Let me see here. What is this romantic feelings that Leo feels towards this person? See, back and forth. I told you, just bouncing the ball, bouncing the ball. And that's basically what this is. It's a person and a ball. Okay. This person bounces the ball. They're back and forth. It's like they confuse you, then there's a glimmer of hope. You see a little something there, and then it goes right back to the beginning. What is this healing family issues that Leo feels towards this person? Five of Cups and the Page of Swords. All right. So they may even have a younger child. I don't know. Maybe the child has autism. Somebody's child has autism. All right. So, and they may use it as a scapegoat. But what I'm getting here is that there's something that needs to be fixed, or they are working on here, trying to get some type of resolve, clear things up. Um, you may have even looked at the Facebook page of their family. I don't know what you over there doing. Okay. But there's this Page of Swords where this person may have communicated um, some petty reason, or it's like, that doesn't make sense, right? Because I really feel like this is someone who's communicating from their lower nature to you. So they don't take things as serious that they communicate when it comes to what they are going through as you possibly do. And so they may be communicating with you about, rushing out of situations, right? They take you into this space where they confuse you with the love bombing, and then they go into a space where, oh, they got these feelings for you. When you try to have a deep conversation, they confuse you a little bit, or make you try to bring up valid points, and it's like, yeah, we finna skip over that. Okay, finna get booty, or do something that takes your mind off of that, and then they go back into, oh no, I gotta go because just got a call from the kids' school, just got a call from someone in my family, this, that, and the other. And it's like, oh, okay. So it takes you into even more confusion, right? So that's why you need to know where you stand with everything. All right. What are the laws that govern you, Leo, especially when it comes to your love life? Yay. What information do you have here for what are this person's feelings towards Leo? What are this person's feelings towards Leo? Excuse me. Thank you. Yeah, they are pretty much straight up let go of control issues. You deserve love, worth waiting for. What's under let go of control issues? Separation. What's under you deserve love? Children. What's under worth waiting for? Attraction. All right. So this person thinks that you are trying to control the dynamic because you asking questions. It's a possibility. Um, they think that because you kind of pull back or pull away from them, or they can't get through to you, even though they playing those little games that you picked up. They feel like they can't get through to you, or that you may be, saying and seeing that things are a certain type of way. They may look at that as you trying to control it by threatening to leave them alone, threatening to do this, threatening to do that. But the thing is, if you continue to let them pull you in and out, they just gonna keep playing it. They know that you are worthy of what it is that you are asking for, but they want to make it, they want you to see it as they are worth waiting for. When I get my shit together, or, maybe in 5 years, a lot of people be together 20, 30 years and get married in 30 years. They like the way you smell, something about the way that you smell. You may be very soft too. What is this let go of control issues that this person feels towards Leo? Five of Wands, argumentative. They always have to figure out how to come to bat when it comes to conversation. You kind of, this is like trying to control the dynamic. They're how they respond to you, what they do with you. Um, of course, Leos are competitive, but it's like that five of wands is, trying maybe they okay, so let's look at it. They may feel as though you're trying to be at the front of the line because that's a thing. I didn't know about it until like 4 years ago. That it's a thing where people are like, you in the front of the line. Like, what the fuck does that mean? Right? I found out that people say that and that's like really a thing. But I guess it is because of course we be having our favorites too. All right, let's see here. What is this? You deserve love. So it's like they feel like you're very controlling when it comes to where you being, there may be things that you say and your actions that have them like maybe you give them ultimatums in different ways, right? Pussy patrol, dick control. You know what I mean? What is this you deserve love that they feel towards Leo? The Empress. They see you as a daunting mother, father. They see you as someone very nurturing, very creative, someone who is very um it's like you got a lot of what they would want. You have a lot of the attributes that they would want in a person, right? If they, you take care of the kids at home, you do all of the things, right? This is a very loving mother. She knows she's mastered a number of things. She can take care of a little bit of everything, help the kids with their homework, budget the finances, keep everybody on the spiritual front, teach, whatever this is, right? It's something with that Empress, okay? What is this worth waiting for that they feel towards Leo? The Chariot. At the right time, everything's gonna take off. When I get my shit together, when things come together, you know, everything's gonna take off. What is this separation that they feel towards Leo? The world. They really think that you are about to, yep, Queen of Swords at the bottom. They really feel like you're about to really close things off, get to another space. With this world card, they're also in a space where there's maybe a distance between the two of you as well, but it's like you are in a space where you may be you're changing stuff up. You're changing things up on this person and they see it. All right. What is this children card? Eight of coins. You're very dedicated, right? Hardworking, dedicated, a power source, maybe some of you teach preschool. I don't know why I just heard that. Somebody may teach preschool very good with children. But they see you as like if you're not a parent, they could see themselves as having children with you, but it's just that this ain't the time for them, possibly. Okay. Never know, things can change. Let me see here because sometimes people will go through some type of some catastrophic event. Maybe there's a death in the family or something like that that really puts them in a place of being more serious about life. Life is short, right? Because sometimes people live their life like they got 200 years because people are living to 100 now. All right. What is the quality of life? What is this attraction card that they feel towards Leo Chill? The Ace of Cups. They like doing things for you. They like the way that you respond. It's attractive the way that you respond to what it is that they do and how it is that they do what it is that they do. All right. Let me see, child. This is cute though. I mean, right there. All right. But only you know what all is going on in your life. What else do you have here for Leo? This person's feelings towards Leo. Four of Wands. They know that you're someone who will have their back, but they want you to get in sync with them about the timing. Three of Wands at the right time when it makes itself available, it will be that. All right. So what action will this person take then? They won't be taking any action because they're still trying to figure some stuff out. Something doesn't make sense to them and they're trying to figure it out. But that's the thing. The Knight of Wands and the Death card. It's like when you make this final ultimatum, or maybe you just did, and they try to come back through, it's like that's no longer gonna work because it's the equivalent of like the Knight of Wands isn't about foreplay, and if they are, they extremely disgusting, and they probably do it with everybody. So the Death card is like, no, 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 stop, 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 no, no, no. It's like you shutting that down. And let me see, what will be their reaction when Leo does this? Seven of Cups. Now they in the space of hurt, conflicted, confused. Yeah. And gonna try to, um, close off, figure things out. Four of Pentacles. They may even try to gray rock you for a certain amount of time to see if you bend or if you fold, or but I think that they have a lot going on just in life in general. But that's up to whatever is going on. The last and final card, staying your Empress energy is going to be very, very important for